Welcome back to the Flooring Africa channel. My name is Barry and today we are on location. Today we are here at Pekay in Cape Town, South Africa, one of Pekay's multiple production facilities, and we're going to be chatting to Antoni, the owner, the technical guru, the chemist, about how they are taking old legacy products and taking them into our future, where we are focusing, or where they are focusing on sustainability, environment friendly, good old tackiness and good adhesion. They are delivering and creating products that we are going to be using in our flooring future. Stay tuned, we're going to explore this factory and tap into the chemist's mind. So what are you guys up to?
So, you've caught us unawares. But I'm discussing with these two a new development that we've come up with. So, I understand everybody is telling us, the applicators are telling us, our salespeople are telling us, we are struggling with the market in terms of LVTs.
Yeah,
there are so many issues here. And yeah, the adhesives, that's one aspect. Tiles is another. Toppings is another. I'm trying to find a way out of this. So I'm working on it with these two. I'm showing them what I think could be an answer.
Your secret sauce.
My secret mixture, which I pick up from a pot under the rainbow.
Tell me more. This is very exciting because I know that obviously flooring installation, LVTs, is a big issue. Guys don't know how to use these adhesives very well, and they're putting it into extreme environments where you need a glue that is ultimately robust.
You mustn't point a finger at anybody. We're all in this blame game together.
Yeah.
So we're not innocent and we're not guilty. We're all in this game together. But what we want to do, Pekay wants to do, is to try and up the ante a little bit.
Yeah. Make
a product which is a little bit easier to work with. Now, I've been looking around. So, we do manufacture one of our 1-part PU flooring adhesives, which is a polyurethane base.
Yeah.
And it's specifically designed for timber. So it's not really right for the LVT. The biggest problem is it doesn't bond to the back of the LVT.
Yep.
So we've come up with, and this is technology that is not our own, it is European technology.
Okay.
But we've made it a homegrown version. So it is kind of, let's call it a boere manier.
Suitable for South African conditions,
I think
locally
so.
Produced.
And that's the big thing. And the biggest problem is when you work with any of these polyurethanes, you have an issue with making them stable.
Yeah.
So you need to have them made as close to the source as possible, close to the customer.
We like locally produced, that's for sure.
Yeah, I don't know what what the future will hold, but something is for sure. We have a product here that we are working on. We're coding it as GB890.
Yeah.
Products out. We're going to do some demos with these two today. Just a few little basic tests that we'd like to show you. I made this last week. Here's a piece of concrete slab. I put a topping of somebody's topping on it.
Self-leveling compound.
Self-leveling compound. And here I put somebody's adhesive, and here's somebody else's LVT. I don't know whose it is. And then I just did the exercise. Now, Tumi is very, very strong. And she is going to be the one to pull the first one. So come around here, Tumi. And I just want to show you what we're talking about. What I want you to do, I want you to go ta-da. This is a ta-da moment. Yes. You pull there, yes, and you say, that is a standard model LVT on a screed, given some time, left about a week now, probably about a week. And there's how well it sticks. Give it a go. Pull it off.
Give it a go. Let's see how
pull it off.
A traditional LVT.
Well, you can come over here and pull it off, because you and I both know the answer.
Yes. All right.
Take your strong hand.
Okay. Wait. So, and you're going to just rip it off.
Yes. You'll see.
Okay. So we're going to do this. This is Tumi's second test. We've got the Tumi touch test, but now this is the Tumi pull test.
Pull test.
Pull test, yes. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. What?
Wow.
Man,
Easy as that.
that was a bit disappointing.
Any transfer?
And that, I'm sorry to tell you, yeah. So interestingly enough, the
We don't
modern
have a
water-based
green light on the
systems, just out of interest, modern water-based systems are all acrylics.
Yeah.
And they have this tendency to bond quite well to this PVC.
Yes.
But for whatever reason, they're not making good bonds onto the cement or the self-levelers. It can be enhanced.
Okay.
And we are doing our best on that.
Yes.
But that is the result that you would generally find, irrespective. So, moving on, we'd like to start showing you. Well, let's go straight
Okay.
into the. Let's go straight down the hole and into this new compound, which is a polyurethane, which is what we call a grafted polyurethane, solvent-free, really nice product. I'm going to hold on tight. Pull,
Alright.
pull now.
Pull that
hold
one
tight.
off.
Yeah, and hold tight.
Come on,
Bring in
Tim,
more
come on,
people.
Timmy,
Come on
pull.
now. Bring some more people.
Come on, Tibi.
Bring friend.
No good.
No, this you can't.
Yeah.
No, now you're pulling the actual product apart.
Yeah, you're tearing the product apart.
That is fantastic.
It is a very, very good. And
So
you can have a go at
moving
that
to
one
the
as
next
well.
one.
Well, they're all the same. Those two are the
Those
same.
two are the same, which is the latest Pekay technology in LVT adhesive. And I'm blown away.
I'm going
This
to
is
cut my hand.
absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
I can't.
You can use this as a weapon.
This is going to revolutionize the LVT game.
You know, I think it will, because there's a lot of features to the product.
Yeah.
It's environmentally friendly. It's got no solvent. It's
Lovely.
got no water. It comes in a little bucket stroke can.
Yeah.
Easy to pull out of it, easy to scrape. It's got a nice open time, which, by the way, we can adjust according to seasons.
Yeah.
It's got a lovely spread to it, easy to work with it. And give yourself an hour, and you get that kind of strength. The next day, if you want to have a shower on it, if you want to wash that floor, no, it's not going to matter. Now, we're not resolving issues to do with tiles. We're not resolving issues to do with self-leveling. We're only resolving issues to do with adhesive.
With the actual bond.
Yeah. Please do not believe that there will not be many times when there will still be failures. We, the manufacturers of adhesives, we're trying to take out some of the poorest
The risk.
aspects of the current technology.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is brand new stuff. It's really just been in the last year that this type of grafted polymer is being perfected. Prior to that, they were doing this. So the market is going to get used to this. It's going to start creeping into the market, and people are going to find uses for this all over the place now.
This is absolutely fantastic. So is this going to be at a comparable price to our existing LVTs?
Yes, it is. I'll tell you, the thing about a current LVT, it's water-based.
Yeah.
You know? So you've got your water-based technology at a solids content, let's call it, say, 50, 60%. So the other 40% is water.
That we need to flash off with the Tumi touch
Yeah,
test.
you need to flash it off and do this, and you need to wait. The problem with doing that is that you could get it wrong.
Yep.
Whereas here, there's no water. There's no anything.
Yep.
There's a solid, although it's liquid. And therefore, there's no flash tests, there's nothing. You stick it on, you slap it on, you roll it.
Fantastic.
And so that's the big technology change. The thing is this, price-wise, it would cost you to put on it'll cost you maybe a third more. Yes, but because it doesn't have any water, you're going to use a smaller trowel, so you're going to use a third less. I tell you, when you start working it out, it's rands and cents, pounds and pennies difference. There's not going to be a big difference.
I think the advantage is the security in locally produced performance adhesive that is going to take a lot of that guesswork out of the game and really provide confidence.
I think so.
Whew,
We
this-
have to discover it. We have to see it, the market's acceptance, but the initial work we've had is very favorable. The initial acceptance, the people are jumping around saying, we'd like to give this a try. Everybody wants to give it a try. Look, we've come to, unfortunately, the end of 2021. So
It's a 2022
This is a 2022 model.
Christmas present.
This is a 2022 Christmas. It's going to make a lot of people in the flooring industry quite happy.
Guys, stay tuned for more. We're going to dive deep into a physical demonstration in a future video, but stay tuned. This is exciting times. This is locally produced product, our own chemists and technical team. Stay tuned for more. If you found this video informative, please hit the bell, the thumbs up. If you want to direct a question to us about these products, hit us up in the comments. We appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Appreciate your time.
Thanks for just strolling in.